Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Habib Wazir and you are watching HB Technical Lab. Nothing is impossible as impossible itself saying I am possible. टॉपिक की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि अभी तक अगर आपने मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले इस नीचे सुर्ख वाले बटन को दबाकर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को भी लाइक करें. वॉच the difference just between 48 hours. Watch the status before 24 hours and now the present situation is in your front. The journey started from 200 and now it's 12,553 per horse. Now I am sure that you are thinking that what will be the secret behind this great achievement, behind this huge traffic of viewers. I am honestly going to tell you, but don't miss a single second of this video as it's really important for you if you want to earn money from YouTube, if you want to grow your channel. Let's open a new tab and click on YouTube. Click on this icon, your channel. Guys, this is my channel, HB Technical Lab. Scroll down and this one. This is the secret. Grow your channel with playlist, fastest views, and the second secret is how to rank YouTube videos with live proof. Guys, if you want to grow your channel, then you will have to follow the instructions in these videos. You will have to watch these two videos completely. Thanks for watching.